This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can create an assignment in Microsoft Teams. Also stay until the end for a quick tip on how you can make the marking of assignments quicker. On the General channel of the class team, click on the Assignments tab. Now click on the Create button to show you the options available to make your assignment. Since we don't want to make a quiz, click on the Assignment option. This will bring up a window which will allow you to add the details such as the title of the assignment, the instructions the students will see, the number of points or marks given to the assignment, and who you would like to assign the assignment to. You can even add the assignment to multiple classes you teach. The last section is the scheduling. You could set the deadline for the assignment by selecting the date and the time, or if you're planning on setting your assignment in advance, you can click the Edit link at the bottom. This will display a window to automatically set the assignment at a specific day and time. You can even select when to close the assignment so no more submissions can occur. Once you have set your schedule, you can click Done or Cancel and return to the previous assignment details window. You can now click Assign or Schedule at the top right of the screen to finish setting up the assignment. You will notice if you return to the Post tab that a notification will be placed on the Teams feed once the assignment is live. Top tip: set up a rubric to help mark your work quickly, but also it helps students understand what they must include in their work. This also saves you time when marking the work, as it provides detailed feedback and adds up points or marks automatically. Setting assignments via Teams allows you to quickly assign worksheets or quizzes for students to complete in or out of the lesson. There is also no excuse for students to say they forgot homework was set, as every time an assignment is set, it will appear in the calendar and in the Posts tab. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when more helpful videos are released.